Magic of compounding is a powerful financial concept that can help you grow your wealth over time. For example, invest $10,000 in a mutual fund that has an average annual return of 8%. In the first year, you would earn $800 in interest, bringing your total investment to $10,800. In the second year, you would earn interest on the new total of $10,800, which would be $864. This would bring your total investment to $11,664. The power of compounding can be illustrated by the Rule of 72. The Rule of 72 is a quick way to estimate how long it will take for your investment to double in value. To use the rule, divide 72 by the expected annual return of your investment. For example, if you expect a 10% return on your investment, it will take approximately 7.2 years, 7 and 2/10, for your investment to double in value.